In this video on the blue Corolla, I'm painting the fuse box lid and the engine cover, so stay tuned. To get the two parts ready for painting, I just used a bit of engine degreaser and water to clean them up first. Then I can start masking stuff off that I don't want to get paint on. With the engine cover now clean and dry, it was time to mask things off. At first I just layered down the masking tape and then I later neatened it up using a razor blade. With the masking all neatened up, it's time to put primer onto this part. I only done one take on this because I want to keep the video relatively short. With the primer dry and set, I'm going to unmask the eye on the lettering. I'm going to paint that differently to the rest. Then once it's dry, I'll be remasked and then I'll paint the rest of the cover. Once the eye was dry and I remasked it, I then also reprimed the part as I didn't want any of the red paint showing up through the blue that was coming next. Paint all dry, it was time to unmask the emblem and all of the lettering. I'm really looking forward to see how this turned out. With the fuse box lid looking a little plain and boring, I decided to put a sticker on it. After that then, I sprayed both parts with clear coat just to give the paint that lift it needed. what it looks like when it's back inside the engine bay. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. Stay tuned because there will be some more parts being painted within the engine bay and some parts being added, so there'll be more videos coming soon. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, take care.